Welcome, I'm filming the XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up. So both of the keys at the same time. And when you see the Mix logo, you can let go. So as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. So in this mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate. As you can see, touch screen doesn't actually function in this mode. So volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm whatever you select. And also, as you can see, probably the options here are fairly limited. We can go back to Android by selecting reboot. Wipe data will allow us to perform a factory data reset of the device. And then connect with Mi Assistant is just a connection through a computer. So I'm just going to leave this mode by selecting reboot, reboot to system, and this will take me back to Android. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.